everybody and welcome back. Today I wanted to talk to you about something that's going to become more and more important over the next few months, and that is hydrating our skin. We are not going to have that great humidity that we have in the summertime that keeps our skin nice and soft. So I am going to introduce you to some new products and maybe reintroduce you to some that you've used in the past. But before we get started, if you're a subscriber, I want to thank you so much. If you're not a subscriber, please tap the subscribe button and I'll notify you each time I post a new video. None of the moisturizers I'm going to tell you about are super expensive. You can find them just about anywhere. At the pharmacy, at the grocery, Target, Walmart, anywhere. They're easy to come by. But I want to tell you about one of my favorites, and that is Cetaphil. Cetaphil is steroid-free, paraben-free, fragrance-free, and I've used this forever because you can use this with your wear your perfumes because it's not going to fight the scent of your perfume, and it goes on fairly smooth. But hold on, Cetaphil also makes a moisturizing cream that comes in a tub, and this tub is a 16-ounce, and I'm going to tell you, I have run through no telling how many tubs of this moisturizer. But look how thick it is. It's much thicker. And if you will put this on after you get out of the bath or the shower, you will, especially if you use it a couple times a day, you're going to see a definite difference in the texture of your skin. It is so creamy and so moisturizing, and you'll just slather it on, and then you can put on your perfume and you're out the door. If you like a very rich, creamy moisturizer, then try Nevia. Nevia cream comes in the little tubs. This tub is iconic. That color has been around forever. Look how thick this is. The problem is it's almost too thick. I use it a lot, but I make sure that my skin is still damp from the shower or bath, because if not, you really have to work this into your skin. But it's worth it because it's so creamy. But do remember, it goes on a lot easier if you do it while you have some moisture on your skin. This next moisturizer is going straight to the top of my list, and that is Garnier's Moisture Balm. I'm loving this product. It is a gel cream, and you can see how it is a gel, and it goes on like silk. It just glides across your skin, and it doesn't have oil in it, and it doesn't have parabens. So you're not going to have that trace left on your skin that's going to transfer to your clothes, and that's always a plus. L'Oreal's Hydrogenius is another one that's good as gold. It is a liquid gel, a little bit different than Garnier's Moisture Balm, which is a gel cream, but I'm enjoying these gel moisturizers, and you can see this one goes on a little bit thinner than the Moisture Balm, but it also does not have the oil. It has a scent that is very much earthy. I would think maybe like lemongrass sort of scent, somewhere in there, and I'm enjoying it, and I'm hoping that you're going to enjoy all these products as well. And this is the time of year to be stocking up because winter's on its way and we all need our moisturizer. Thanks for watching the Style Chase, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram. Bye!